Happy sunshine, beautiful people in this YouTube space. Woo! What did I do? Much 22nd. See this beautiful sky here. On the 22nd, say by night evening, trouble. All right, my people. So I just want you guys who come across this space, want you to just prepare for this Melissa storm, especially my people in Jamaica. I want you guys to prepare, all right? Because we having a history of not preparing for storm. Because we are the so blessed and holy island, which is true. But yeah, make we prepare for this, my people, So look like all people are fly out there. Because them don't want to get it. Because you have some fake people who come our country and go like them love the country, but any little disaster them cut left way. A good thing the real people them not frightened for foreigners. But yeah, my people, I just want you to just prepare for this storm, you know. Cause we need some water on the island. We need some fresh water. Blue Mountain needs some water as well. So this is a good thing for us. So it's just we as people, as human beings, to stop be ignorant and just prepare for this hurricane, storm, flood. Alright? Yeah. And just full joy the moment. Too bad we don't have zinc house top, we'd enjoy it more. But I guess the zinc house that blow off. So the concrete strong, but full joy the rain. As the zinc. But yeah, just prepare my people. Because I'm there in the pepper field. I pick pepper to make sure you guys can get for season up on the food, etc. Alright, so prepare. Alright, my lovely people. Yeah, we're there. Prepare for the mosquito them. So we have to bush up. Use bush rub on our skin to prepare yourself, protect yourself from the mosquito. Yes, my people, prepare. Preparation is the key to a longer, healthier civilization. Highly